So why I think the UFC and the Aurora partnership is a big deal, because according to my research, Aurora Sports is already being advertised heavily by UFC. This video, which had a total of 4.782 million views, I say maybe a million views or double watches or triple watches, but I say the advertisement of at least 2 or 3 million people. They have a total subscriber base of 8.38 million, and as you can see in the background, it says Raw Sports, and this video was released on December 31st, 2019. So I don't know when they started advertising Raw Sports, but they seem to be advertising it very heavily. This is the most recent video for UFC. It was published today on January 29, 2020. And as you can see, presented by Raw Sports. And then this video was January 27th, Raw Sports UFC. So, and then if you go to the website, if you go to the YouTube channel, I bet you most of these videos will have some kind of Raw Sports advertisement on it. Like, I'm gonna pick a random one. I hope I don't get hit by advertisement. Oh, damn it, I got hit by advertisement. So, watching advertisement within advertisement. Oh, this one doesn't seem to have Raw Sports on it. But I don't know. It's still pretty good to see UFC advertise Raw Sports. So yeah, I think the Raw Sports will be a big deal when they announce it. And why would UFC advertise it so hard right now if they're not ready to or very close to a launch date? I think UFC is very close to a launch date, and they want to do a lot of advertisement before they launch the product. And I think when they do launch the products, it's going to sell millions and millions of product per week. And money will be coming in, I think. So hopefully Aurora gets some kind of cut from that, because they could, they're the partners with UFC on the Raw Sports. So I'm hoping Raw Sports does add to Aurora's revenue. I would love to see that. Aurora is up a penny after sorry, not really, it's neutral, but it pulled back today. Every time it pulls back, like a big pullback, I'll definitely be buying some call options on it, because I still believe in Aurora, and I believe that Aurora will have a big turnaround story. But again, this is my opinion, and it might not go that way. But right now, just simply from my research alone, Aurora is executing. They are selling out of their products. They're one of the only companies that introduced 2.0 products on a large scale besides Oxley. Oxley did too, but I think Aurora is bigger than Oxley when it comes to the edible market. But again, I don't know for sure. I don't have the numbers. Nothing's 100%. But Oxley's the only competition right now for the edible market. And then when it comes to the vape pen, I don't think Aurora even has competition, because Aurora priced the vape pens at such a low price that consumers are going to go around looking like, do I want to buy this $50 vape pen, or do I want to buy this $30 vape pen? And most likely people are going to go after the $30 option, because they want to try it out and they don't want to spend $50 on a vape pen. And Aurora is the only one charging $30. I mean, I think I saw something like $30, $40 as a vape pen, but nobody is charging anywhere in the low 30s. So Aurora basically has the vape pen market. I think Aurora can do that is because they're mass producing these vape pens, and when those numbers come in, I think Aurora is going to impress shareholders, and investor sentiment will change, and Aurora stock will skyrocket. And hopefully Terry Booth comes on Friday, gives us some kind of exciting development on Aurora, and I'm hoping so, but I don't know for sure. That's just pure speculation at the moment. One company I'm very happy with is High Blockchain Technology. I would rather have it dip today, but it didn't, and it kept going up. So I should have bought some, but oh well, too late now. If it pulls back, then maybe. But it's looking very bullish right now, and I'm very, very happy that I have a big position. Not big position, like a decent position in Hive, and I'm making good coin right now on Hive blockchain technology. So happy about Hive, and I still think Bitcoin is going to continue to move to the upside. But again, this is just from my research of watching YouTube videos on Bitcoin. A lot of people are saying that Bitcoin could break out to $10,000 to $13,000 sometime this year. So I'm very happy, and I think Hive will make me a decent coin. And this is not really pumping it because I don't control how people buy and sell. And like literally, I'm just happy, and I just want to give this some exposure because I'm happy. Just want to tell you guys to be careful because markets can easily reverse itself. It looks so bullish to me right now, and you know, I think there's a possibility you can go back to 20 to 25 cents. But again, that's my opinion. And if it went back to 50 cents, woo, that would make me so much money. Will I hold out on 50 cents? I don't know. I seriously don't know. But I'm very happy at the moment. And I think it'll go back to at least 25 cents in the short term. But will it hit 50 cents? If it does, I would be so happy. But I don't know if it will. The guy who bought 2 million shares will also probably be really happy. Anyways, Tesla had some earnings, and wow, $656. Elon Musk must be saying something really made shareholders happy. Wow, congratulations, Longs. I was gonna buy a call option, but I didn't. I'm kind of kicking myself a little bit for not buying call option on Tesla. Oh wow, that's life. But oh wow, that's amazing. $72 up, 12.5%. So congratulations, Long. You guys made boatloads of money. Facebook is down after hours. The lower Facebook goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes. But again, that's my opinion. So, I don't have any stake in Facebook. Neo, I think Neo's gonna get, well, see, like I said, Neo follows Facebook, Tesla. Tesla goes up 60%. It's gonna affect Neo in a positive way. And, people are buying the crap out of Neo because Tesla is skyrocketing and Neo is following the tailcoats of the Tesla. It's like the same thing with Canopy, which for some reason I don't have Canopy up here. Canopy, like, it's the same thing with Canopy. Canopy goes up massively. If Canopy goes back to like, $32 or $43, Aurora is going to go back to like $4 US, I think. I don't know, that's just my opinion. But if Canopy rallies, unless Aurora gets a partnership deal and they show amazing profitable quarters, then investor sentiment will completely change, and Aurora could be the new leader in the MJ sector, and that would be the biggest turnaround story ever, and that would make me so happy and proud of investing in Aurora. Just like Tesla, my gut feeling was very positive about Tesla, and now it's trading at $650. That's insane. Facebook. Oh yeah, I already talked about Facebook. And Neo, I already talked about Neo. Chap, I talked about it. Chesapeake Energy, up half. Just trading sideways today. It was up 2.4 cents, 4.56%. Beyond Meat pulled back. It was a gap and trap basically. Today it had a massive rally in the day, and then it just pulled all the way down. So, basically, bear trap for the bulls. Essentially, AMD down another 24 cents after hours. It had a massive pullback, and people bought that dip, and now it's still going down. So AMD is hitting a downtrend right now, but if some positive news or positive catalyst comes out, I think it could reverse course easily. I just don't like to see how it's downtrending with heavy volume. That's not a good sign to me, but we'll see what happens moving forward. Acreage Holdings is down 10 cents today. Could be an opportunity, or it could continue to fall. The lower it goes, the more of an attractive buy it becomes. Harvest Health, same thing. The lower it goes, the more attractive buy it becomes. I still believe in, I definitely believe in Acreage because they're backed by Canopy. Harvest is high risk, high return kind of investment. Man is also high risk, high return investment. Ianthus is medium risk with decent investment returns. Liberal Health Science, I would say that this company is low risk, but short term it could fall back down to 65 cents. Long term, I think it's gonna go up to $1 or even higher. Curaleaf had a little spike, up 32 cents. Vero Health is up 4 cents after hours. Slang is up half a penny. Green Growth Brands, I don't talk about this company much, but I have it up here for some reason. It does look like an attractive price down here, and it could be a huge return on investment if it ever goes back to $5. That would be 1,000% return, but will it? I have no idea. Snap Incorp, down to 21 cents, but Snap, if you spot Snap on fear around $5 you would have been up 283%. That's insane return on investment. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up, it helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.